How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of the Equatech social media LED lighting. I'm going to be unboxing, which I hope is 6-inch clip-on ring light with phone holder, 2-meter multicolor LED light strip with remote, clip-on phone selfie light. Now, this cost me $14.99. It is not meant to be an advanced lighting kit. It's for small channels like me to do with lighting. Now, to be honest with you, I was kind of watching my lighting videos, my unboxing videos myself, and it seemed like they need a bit of light. So I saw this in the budget shop, and it was there, man. I don't want to name the shop because people from all over the world watch my videos. So here's the company. Google that, eBay that, Amazon that, it should come up. Without further ado, let's unbox this thing. The box is pretty huge, man. So I'm apologize in advance for not, the whole thing's not coming up. But don't worry, as soon as I open it, as things get broken down, you will see the thingies. So let's open it up real quick. This is the back side, by the way. You can read all that, pause the video, go ahead, read it, and yeah, the rest I will unbox and find out what's inside. So here we go. Unboxing has commenced. Now it seems like I'm holding the box upside down, of course. Let me put it the right way and slide this plastic thing out, which has everything inside. It also has an instruction manual. Now, wow, this video is zoomed in a bit too much. I can't adjust it because this is the furthest back we go. So this has two sections. Two sections, as you can see. It first has the lighting right here. Right? It's a ring. And it will light up with LEDs. It's very light. Very light. Light is very light. But let's hope it gives a nice bright LED light. And also here is the remote, which I will focus in a minute. There you go. That is the remote, and as on the remote it says on button. That look maybe a dim button. There's some refresh thing going on here, and there is a plus button. And this all is powered by a USB. Plug it into any power you have. Laptop. I'm gonna plug it into plug that gets USBs, but that accepts USBs. So let's get that all the way. That's the main attraction. This is the main thing I got it for. Now this here, I don't know. It's gonna be a bit of a gimmick, I guess. One moment. The focus is just spazzing out right there. Let's just check it out. Check it out. This here is meant to be added to your phone. Now, if you've got a phone like an S21 Ultra, the one I've got, you don't need this. I doubt it. Has this got any charge? It's got nothing. Does it? Dude, is it gonna have batteries? It does not have batteries. This takes batteries. And basically what this is, you clip it on your phone like that, and this all lights up. And yeah, and I think that's the button right there. That lights up, and it's gonna give you a brighter face. But I don't think you need it, man. I don't think you need it. But let's hope that batteries here. I don't think I've got any batteries right with me right now. So we'll see how things go. Let's grab this out. And this is probably, this is going to be the phone holder. I don't think I'm going to need the phone holder, but then again, those of you that are going to need it for the phone holder, you're going to need this, man. Now let's get that plastic thing out of the way. And here we go. What the hell's in here? What the heck is in here? I have no idea. Let's open up and find out. Oh wow! There is an LED strip here. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that at all. So there's a lighting LED strip here, probably for bright white lights. And here is where you're gonna hook these wires into there. And yet again, it's got a USB to power it up, and it's also got a remote, and this remote has a ton load of different colors on it. So wow, dude, this is like an extra for me, which I'm not even gonna use, but it's here. Very, very interesting, very awesome. In fact, nice. I might stick it, I don't know, on a cupboard or something, but I'm not gonna use that for lighting. That for the value of money, you sure get a load of things here. Now, what's next is this thing here. This is a must. So basically, this gets clamped on to basically the desk that I'm using, whatever, and then that that circle LED light that I showed you will go on top of there. Now this here is for the phone stand. So all what happens is you get this phone stand and you just hook it over there, tighten it up, and you're good to go. Is this removable? Because I'm not going to use this. This is bolted in pretty bad. Bolted in. So yeah, it's bolted in. I think I can remove it by twisting it. But yeah, we'll leave it there. I don't think it's gonna cause any issues. Where's my LED thingy magic gone? Here it is. How is this gonna? First of all, I gotta remove the packaging, man. So let's remove the packaging, like so, and then, dude, this table's too small. I gotta get a bigger table for these things, man. I don't think I've unboxed something this big. So what happens is, as you can see, there's a twister screw here. Focus camera, man. What are you doing? There we go. As you can see, twister. What you do, there's a hole over here, like so, and then you just attach them together, twist them around, and let's do that. Let's just do that real quick right now. Oh, dude, this is gonna be a mission because the wire also gets twisted around, and it's getting twisted around the whole. Oh, dude, this is not good. The whole when I'm trying to twist it around. Right, let's do it. There we go. There we have it. The whole wire got twisted around. So you'll have something looking like this. How do you turn this on? There is no indication. Now, one moment. Oh, actually, what am I saying? It's got a control button here. Now, let me just plug this into our power source. And let me show you, let's get this off the table, man. Let me just show you what this is gonna look like real quick. Where's my, this is, you don't get this with the thing, by the way, but this is what I'm gonna use, just to plug. It's got, it is a 5-volt output. Just gonna plug it in real quick. Extend the wire, plug it into a power source. It seems like I'm playing Minecraft. Power source, this and that. It's on. Oh wow, a light comes on like this. And then you plug the light on. Oh wow. It's not turning on, dude. It's not turning on. Just 1 second. Rated power 5 volts. Okay. Maybe I'm giving it a bit too much power here. What? It's not turning on. As you can see, it's flashing pretty bad. But it doesn't seem to be turning on. Right, give me a sec, guys. I'll be right back. This is so weird. I'm gonna have a quick look at what I'm doing wrong. Right then, guys. I'm back. I found 2 batteries for the star thing as well. Now this, I can't shine it directly at the camera. I don't want to damage my camera. I don't know if that's going to work. What happened is, that plug, that crappy little plug here, it says it's 5 volts. But for some odd reason, it didn't have in the capacity to turn this light. This light is extremely bright. So what I've done is, I've got my Samsung phone charger, just a normal phone charger, not my lightning charger or anything like that. Just a normal phone charger, and I plugged it on. So what I'm going to do is now, one minute, I'm going to set this light up real quick. Let's just hook it up to the side of the table right here. Like so. I've done it. Now, the difference, right now, the light is off. Right? The light is off. And I'm going to put it on. There's the lighting. It's, to be honest with you, I don't even think I need lighting. I think it's the angle that I need to put it on. Definitely the angle that I need to put it on. It's like it's shining in one place. But I don't know. Now that's for you to decide, right? How's it looking? Can I do it more brighter? Heck. Oh, right, look, I can make them a yellow, but white's the best. Yellow, blue, and white. Neutral looks okay as well. Is that blue? Yeah, yellow looks disgusting. I hate yellow lights. But I guess for some certain aspect, there we go. So wait, 1 minute. Let me just choose something. That one. Oh, I can dim it, so it's on maximum. However, I can make it go back higher. Right, I don't know which one's which now. There we go. Right, so for example, if I was unboxing this star thing here, right? Now you tell me, does this star look better with the light on? Right? Focus, dude. Come on, camera. What are you doing, man? You know the world's watching you. There you go. So does it look better with the light on? Or does it look better with the light off? To be honest with you, I don't know, man. To me, it somehow it seems like it looks better with the light off. I don't know. Oh, dude, camera, why am I always have to focus myself? There you go. So, I don't know. I really don't. For the rest of the remainder of the video, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Right? And maybe it's the position I put in. I don't know. Right, let's see if I just put it like that way. Now it's spread evenly throughout the whole table. I have a feeling it's the way how I've set this up. It's still not being spread that way. It's just being spread there because my phone is in the way. Maybe that's the thing as well. But anyhow, let's go and unbox this thing right here. Unbox. Put it in. I don't want to use this. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. Put the batteries in. Close this down. Press the button. There you go. Does that make it any better? You know, I know what I can use it for. I can use it so that the lighting... Yeah, I've even the lighting up. But the thing is, I don't want to be changing the batteries and stuff. Yeah, the black actually looks way good. It looks incredible. The lighting. But if I've turned that off... Yeah, now the lighting is evened out. So it looks like I'm going to have to buy a set of batteries, man. This is just like a test. Remote. Wow, look at them colors. They're literally shining, man. Right, guys. Thank you for watching. Let's turn it off real quick. Test of turning it off. Turn light off from the left. Turn light off from the right. You know what? My camera is so amazing, the S21 Ultra. It doesn't make much of a difference. But that's for you guys in the comment section to decide, man. You know... Oh, wait. The star thing, it has like 3 different light modes. I just realized. 1, 2, and 3. And off. When everything's off, things are not looking as brighter and alive. But that's for you guys to decide. What do you think of the setup? If you are looking for light for social media, I don't know, for TikTok videos or for photographs or whatever, here's the thing for you, man. However, if you're looking for unboxing videos like myself, I'm going to kind of review this video myself and see if I even need it. Because so far, now it's looking dark. Things are looking dark. But there are things that are black things that unbox, like black phones, black phone cases, black things like that. It kind of interferes the lighting. Certain aspects I can't show off. So, yeah. For example, one last example. Here's my PS5 controller, right? Looking pretty cool. Looking pretty neat, right? Let me just put some focus on that bad boy. Right? Now let's turn the light on. Right? It seems like I flipping actually do need a starlight. Right? That's with all lights on. Right, guys? And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lights off. I don't know. I have no idea there, man. Seriously. Well, that's gonna be the, this is meant to be an unboxing slash review video, but I've made it into a flipping test video for myself. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave us many comments as you want. I'm gonna try and answer them all. Stay awesome. Take care of yourselves. Peace out, man.